Good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope that you all will be fit and fine. Children, you know me very well. I am Kalpana Gupta and I will be teaching you maths. Children, in my previous class, I had sent one video that help you to read and write numbers in Indian and international system. Hope you all have understood how to read and write numbers in both systems. This is Indian place value chart and I hope that you all have drawn this chart in your copy. This chart has 4 periods, ones, thousand, lakhs and crores, and each period of this chart has divided in 2 places, leaving one's place. One's period has 3 places, ones, tens and hundred, and thousand period, lakhs period and crores periods there are 2 places. Children, this is international place value chart and here you can see this chart has 3 periods, ones, thousands and millions, and each period consists of 3 places. Children, if you observe both place value charts carefully, you will find that till 10,000 places of the digits remain same in both systems. And to read any number, we read all the digits present in periods together with period name. Remember that we do not read the name of one's period. Now children, let us understand to read this 9-digit number in Indian system and in international system. To read this number in Indian system, what will be our first step? To divide the digits according to their periods. Okay, so what you will do, you will separate 3 digits and keep these 3 digits in one's period. The next 2 digits will go in thousands period, next 2 will go in lakhs period, and next 2 will go in crores period. As I told you before, we will read the digits together present in periods. So this 2 digits will read together 13 crore 23 lakhs 5,604. Okay, the same digit how we will read in international system. For that what we will do, we will separate the digits according to their periods, and in international system each period consists of 3 digits. So you can see I have separated 3 digits. Okay, this 3 digits will go in one's period, this 3 in thousand period, and this 3 in millions period. So first we will read the digits together. 132 millions 305,000 and 604. Children, hope you all have understood how to read numbers in Indian system and in international system. Children, here you can see in Indian system this 3 is on crores place, but in international system this 3 is on 3 tens millions place. Okay, so this 3 crore is equal to 30 millions, right? And here you can see this 2 is on which place? This 2 is on to 10 lakhs place. Okay, and this 2 is on millions place. So you can say 2 lakhs is equal to 2 millions. Children, hope you have understood the relation between Indian system and international system, and how can we read the numbers in Indian system and in international system. Children, let us know about place value and face value. These two terms are not new for you. You know that place value of the digit is the digit present on the place. Okay. Here you can see in this example, this is 9-digit number, 57 crore 23 lakhs 50,981, and this 3 is present on lakhs place, so its value will be 3 multiplied by 1 lakh, or you can say 3 lakh will be the place value. Okay, and face value of the digit is the value of the digit itself. It does not depend upon the position of the digit. So the face will remain same. So the face value of this 3 in this number will be 3. Children, this place value is in Indian system. But if we want to write this place value in international system, then what you will do? You will separate the digits according to their periods. Okay. So in international system, this 3 will remain in thousands period. Okay. And this is 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. So the place value of this 3 in international system will be 300,000. Children, hope you all have understood this concept. Now children, let us know how can we compare two numbers. Children, for that you have to learn two rules. First one is, a number which has more digit is the greater digit. Here you can see this is 5-digit number and this is 6-digit number. Obviously 6-digit number will be greater than 5-digit number. So this number will be the greater one. Okay. Second rule is, when two numbers have the same number of the digit, start comparing from the extreme left. Children, here in this example you can see number of digits are same in both numbers. Here 6-digit number and this is also 6-digit number. So we will start comparing from extreme left side, and here you can see on extreme left 2 is present in both numbers. So you cannot decide, you will move forward. The second digit is 4 in both numbers. Again you cannot decide. So you will again move forward. Third digit is 5. Again you are unable to decide which one is greater and which one is lesser. So you will move forward. Again 5 you can see, the fourth digit is again 5. Same in both numbers. So here on this place also you cannot decide. So you will move on the next place. On the next place you can see this is 6 and this is 8. Obviously 6 is a smaller number. So the whole number will be the smaller. Okay. So this number will be the smaller than this number. Okay. Hope you all have understood it. Now let us see how can we arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Children, ascending order means smallest to greatest, and in descending order means greatest to smallest. Children, you all have understood how can we compare the numbers. And by knowing the numbers, you can arrange them in correct order. Here you can understand by this example. This is 2 crores 27 lakhs 64,123, 7 crores 52 lakhs 64,123, here 5 crores 28 lakhs 64,123. All are 8-digit number. So what you will do, you will start from moving left side. Here 2, 7 and 5. On the first place you can decide which one is the smallest. This one is the smallest. After that this one will come, and after that this will come. So ascending order will be 2 crores 27 lakhs 64,123, then 5 crores 28 lakhs 64,123, then 7 crores 52 lakhs 64,123. This is ascending order, smallest to greatest. And descending order means greatest to smallest. So first you will write greatest number, then next greatest number, and finally the last one. Children, hope you all have understood how can you arrange ascending and descending order of the number. Now let us know short and expanded form. Children, expanded form is the sum of place value of the digits in the given numeral. Sum means total. You know how to find out the place value of each digit? You write place value of each digit with plus sign. So here the place value of this 7 is 7 lakhs. So you can write this way also, or in figure like this also. So 7 lakhs, then 2 10,000, or you can write 20,000 also. 8,000, then 400, 3 tens and 5 ones, all with plus sign. This is known as expanded form. And when this expanded form is written in compact way, this will known as short form or standard form. Now children, let us know about successor and predecessor. Children, successor is a number that we get by adding 1, or you can say successor is a after number, and predecessor is a number that we get by subtracting 1, or you can say this is a before number. Now here successor of 18 lakhs 27,379. To get the successor, what you will do? You will add 1 to this number and it will be 18 lakhs 27,380. Predecessor of this number will be before number, and how can you get it? You can get it by subtracting 1. So predecessor of this number will be 18 lakhs 27,378. Children, hope you all have understood what is successor and what is predecessor. So do practice and learn these concepts. Okay, thank you and have a good day.